So today's video will consist of me making dinner. I'm gonna be making kimchi fried rice, which is a Korean dish made with kimchi and rice and some other ingredients. This recipe here is my roommate's, but she made this for me once and it was amazing. So I'm going to make some kimchi fried rice today using her recipe. So the first and most important ingredient for this recipe is kimchi. Lucky for us, we have a rice cooker, so we've got some rice in here. The recipe also calls for kimchi 국물, which is like the watery soup, the kimchi soup that like the kimchi liquid that is already in here. So that's actually an ingredient you need. Sugar, 1/2 tablespoon. Check. You also need sesame oil. I have some sesame oil. You also need a tablespoon of red pepper paste. Not flakes, paste. We have some red pepper paste, and it says Spam cubes. No Spam, but instead we're gonna need some salt. So like the 2 knives that I have at home are so dull that I can't even cut this kimchi properly. I've chopped up all the kimchi and now it just goes in here. So the only thing is my roommate didn't give me any instructions on how this is supposed to go. She just gave me the list of ingredients. So everything else is purely based on my own decision and common sense. So this is gonna go in the frying pan. So onto this mix, I'm gonna add some sesame oil. It's too much. And then we mix it. Alright, so another important part about this recipe is you have to add the kimchi soup. Alright, and then to top it off, we're gonna add just like 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Oh! Okay. Red pepper paste. I've decided to also add like a few strips of seaweed. Alright, now it's gonna go on a plate. I'm just waiting for my egg. Like, you know when frying pans, they're like too big for your egg and the egg just kind of like ends up going to the edge and then it just kind of turns into like a weird like liver shape. Like what kind of shape is that? Yeah, I'm just waiting for my egg and my egg looks really funny. It's all finished. My sad looking egg and my rice. Alright. Honestly, it's not bad. I really like it. So everybody knows you need some egg and rice together. yeah, so if you're seeing this, Mom, I am taking good care of myself. Don't worry about me. I'm completely fine. My health is in good hands. Don't worry. Thank you for watching me eat my food and cook some kind of sad kimchi fried rice. That was a really good meal. I really liked it. That was really good. If you enjoyed this video and want more cooking with Pauline videos, like this video, subscribe, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. I don't know when that will be, but okay, bye. Filming is hard work, guys. Let me just say. Ew, it's my bathroom. Don't look at my bathroom. Hello. Hello, and welcome to an episode of Cooking with Pauline. I don't know what that was. Hello, and welcome to an episode of Cooking with Pauline.